my faithful assistant here. You're gonna, when the music plays, you walk on the shape. So let's all walk this way. Let's practice walking. Can you walk? So boots turn around and we're gonna walk this way. Thank you, moms. Walk on the shape.
Oh, this is interesting.
Okay, don't worry.
Step on one of these and see if that's a shape.
Alright. When the music stops, then you're going to stomp on the shape. And whatever shape, then Shelly's going to pick a color out of the bag. And whoever's on that color gets to go get the first round of